Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to solve I can't open Samsung mobile hotspot. We start by entering the phone's settings and then connections. After that, we search and click on the mobile hotspot and tethering option, and we will see that everything is deactivated. To fix it, we return to the connection section and enter the data usage option. After that, click on Data Saver. Here we are going to disable this option. Finally, if we return to the mobile hotspot and tethering option, we will see that it is now available to activate it. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.